I think you guys already solved that mock.
Yes.
Yeah,
Sir, can you explain simultaneously and non-simultaneously?
yeah, I will explain. So just a second, I have to message to Prasad. Okay, so yeah, now I have permission. Okay, so if you have one task and okay, we will see. Just see. Yeah. Okay. So if you have yeah. So if we have one task and we are performing, where is the cursor? Yeah. Assume that we have one task and we are performing this task in one step. Then this is called simultaneous. Means uh, in one day I gave one example like uh, you have one project competition and they are selecting four project for next round. So in that case they just select four they are doing. And another way is another question is that I they want to announce the result first second third position. So in second case they decide first be first person, then second, and then third. But in the four that four person those who are selected for next round, in that case they just select four people in one time. Okay, in this case they are performing one task in three time, firstly first person, then second, then third. But in this case they just select four people, four candidate for second round. Okay, so this is called what? Non simultaneous, and this is called simultaneous. Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let's start with our first question. So okay, here this is already mentioned answer. Why?
So, for the second case that you just showed now, that is
Yeah,
first, second, and third.
yeah.
Uh, from what I understood from the simultaneous was, when sitting at a position, we can make a decision on that position collectively or not. Initially, that if I remember in the live session, it was explained that non-simultaneous tasks are only that when we have given the or condition, and it's specifically highlighted that only this case or this case has to be done. That is that either like for example, I can choose a password, and I have only two form of password: a type A password and the type 2 password.
Okay,
So if I'm making like I'm given that what are the type what are the total number of counts of password that I can make, then it's clear that it's either going to be A or either it's going to be B. In
okay,
this case, it's not simultaneous. That's what I understood before.
okay. Means you are saying that if there is one event which is happening in two ways,
Yeah, and it's clearly mentioned that it's the clear cut or condition, like a type A
okay,
and type 2, and I have to choose.
and
Yeah,
for
but
simultaneous we have only one way to.
for simultaneous, it's like defining what how we are making the type 1 password, and the
Okay.
another simultaneous type is how I'm making how we are constructing type 2 password.
Okay.
This is what I have in my mind for now.
Okay.
And it's like we can like make when we are sitting, when we are deciding on a particular pattern, we might define or make a decision that is step to step, that is what's going to be in the first position, second position,
Yeah.
and third position.
Hmm.
But in this particular frame, the means pattern, I am able to decide when I'm inside the pattern. It is not having some conditions that are interlinked with some another possible options. But when I'm making like this uh, collectively also, like 4 choose 2, what I am choosing is 2 players, but I am doing
Okay.
it simultaneously because a pattern is fixed and I don't have to choose like it's going to be 2 or something else. So uh,
Okay.
uh, this is what I have said in my mind. Please correct me if I'm like I'm thinking something wrong here.
Okay. If you are choosing, then there you also pick now first the first person, then second person.
Yeah, in choosing also it's just
Yeah.
order is
It
absent.
is simultaneous, but here you are not choosing. You are just deciding these four are for next round.
Oh, it's simply as choose now. Like if I have 10 players and I'm choosing 4 players for the next round, that is 10 choose 4. So I'm
Yeah.
making a decision. Yeah, but when I'm considering that it's going to be the 4th player, there's a 10 choose 4. I'm collectively making a decision here, and that's occurring when I'm considering this particular case only.
So you are saying that this case is also for simultaneous.
Yes, sir, that's what I have in my mind.
Okay. Is this simultaneous? The simultaneous means that you firstly do this, then this, then this. Means your event is occurring in parts.
Hmm. So I think
Means
it's better that we keep that in mind, and after questions, doing some questions like a mock questions few,
yeah.
we can reflect on this point again. That will be better, like uh, for the view
Okay.
simultaneous thing.
Okay. So see, if you heard that person, the people are coming simultaneously, this means what? Firstly, first come, then second, then third. This means that no, you are not saying that all. If person are in the group, you can't say that they are coming in simultaneously.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying that this is not simultaneous. This is simultaneous because I firstly choose first, then second, then
Okay.
okay. Let's see the in question. Okay,
Okay, but
yeah. So we have first question in which what Manoj and his brother Nitin has five friend each. Okay, have five. Manoj have friend circle with two boys and three girls, while Nitin friend circle have three boys and two girls. Okay, I have right two and three. So just second. Okay. So Manoj have how many? Two boys and three, and similarly Nitin has how many? I think three boys and two girls. Okay. Now for the next part. Hmm. So for their parents' wedding anniversary, they decide to invite four of their friends to ensure equal representation. It was decided that both of them will invite two of their friends and also ensure that there are a total of two boys and two girls getting invited. Based on this information, answer the following question. So, what is the first question? The selection of boys and girls will occur simultaneously, and selection of boys and girl will occur not simultaneously. Selection of will happen with replacement and so in your slide it also shows answer or my only.
So the deadline has passed, so everyone is seeing answers at this moment.
Okay, okay. So answer is already displayed. So
So
okay,
if you want a PDF, single page PDF of the questions only, I can process it like in around 2 minutes if you
okay,
want.
yeah,
Okay, just give me two
yeah,
minutes.
yeah, yeah. So so what is your definition for simultaneous and non-simultaneous? Hello.
So for me, it was the same that when we are at a position, when we are considering any particular case, we
Yeah.
are able to means decide on what options, like uh, what type of pattern it's going to be suited in that particular case.
Okay.
Sir, I have pasted the link on this chat window for both the mocks. It's right side of the page that we are discussing currently.
Okay, just you send it one link, na?
Yes, sir. It's the notability link. It has the page. You can download it. It's a PDF format.
But I think okay, this is not visible. Okay, I will. Okay, let's
Oh.
do by that one. Okay,
Sir, it's refreshing. Just a minute, please.
okay. Let's- It's not refreshing.
Sir, now it's refreshed. Please refresh. It's updated now.
Okay, no. Okay, we will do by that in a slide only. No problem. Okay, let's see what's the answer. So, what is the answer according to you for this question? First question. And give reason also.
So I've shared the PDF also in the chat if you're able to like access it. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So, why this is simultaneous?
Because we have an option actually to pick the boys from Manoj's side without impacting picking the girls from Naveen's.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Any other answer? How many solve this question? I solve this question. Okay, someone raised hand.
So
Okay,
I
Ankit.
saw that, so that's why you asked. So I raised.
Okay. So why this is simultaneous?
So when I'm considering any particular case, now I can decide that what's type of I can make a decision on that what's going to be inside this particular case when I'm at it
Okay, so
independent.
usually you are deciding that this is my from my side boys and this is her side boys or girl. That his brother side boys and girl.
So understand we both Manish, Nitin and
Mano.
Manoj,
Yeah,
they are not selected boys and girls at a time. Means if
yeah,
Nitin selected girl at one time, then Manoj selected another girl at another time, not
yeah.
at the same time. So that what I.
Okay. And any other answer?
So selection event can actually happen
Sir,
simultaneously without affecting the other
Okay.
selections. Right?
Yeah, one by one. Okay. And someone also
yes,
are there?
sir.
Yeah,
Sir, I thought that if we want to select only two boys and two girls, means their condition is given.
yeah,
So if they will not select them simultaneously, then might be that Manoj select two girls and also Nitin select one girl between them. So
yeah.
then it is not be, yeah. So
That's
that
the right answer. Yeah,
it will not get
yeah.
the
You are right. You are right.
complete.
So this is the right answer. So if they are not selecting simultaneously, it may happen that Manoj select two boys and its brother Nitin select two boys. It may happen. Okay. So that's why they are selecting simultaneously for knowing their each other participants. All got this? Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
So what does it mean by selection will happen without replacement?
I will explain that also.
Can you
Firstly,
explain once again?
so see, if selection is not simultaneous means firstly this, like in this case, 1 2 3, first position, second position, third position. If selection is not in this type, this means what? Manoj select two boys, but Nitin do not know that his brother already select two boys. In that case, so he also can select two boys. Okay, if they are not selecting simultaneously, this means they came and just select the participant. If they are not selecting simultaneously, assume that Manoj firstly decide that two boys are Manoj decide that two boys are in anniversary, and but Nitin don't know that two boys are in anniversary. So Nitin can also select two boys, but question condition that there must be two boys and two girls. So that's why they are selecting simultaneously. This means firstly Manoj select, then Nitin know how many boys or girls Manoj select, and after that Nitin came and he select left one boy and one girl or two girls. Okay, depending on Manoj uh, decision.
Okay.
So their decision are dependent.
So that means it is not simultaneous, no, sir. Once Manoj selects,
It's
then only Nitin selects.
it's
So that means the
simultaneous.
sequence.
This means simultaneous, na?
No, sir. Once Manoj selects, that event
Yeah,
actually occurred. Then
yeah,
Nitin doing it. So that is not
yeah.
simultaneous, right? That is actually a second event.
No, no,
It
no.
is going in a
It's
sequence, right?
yeah. That's why it is simultaneous, na?
No, simultaneous should be like it should happen at same time, right? The event should
No, no,
happen
no,
at the
no,
same time.
no, no, no. Simultaneous means your that event is happening different time. Like in this case, if you are selecting first three position for your for your competition, in that case you firstly select first position, then second, or then third, or reverse. But you can't select no that if I select first and I don't know who is the first, then I can also select second position for first guy. So firstly I fixed my first position, then second position, then third position. Same here. Firstly Manoj have to decide his participant, and then Nitin. So this is simultaneous.
Sir, so that's a valid point, sir, because if Manoj is selected, already selected,
Yeah,
then it becomes a sequential activity only, right?
yeah.
So simultaneous basically means that together, right? They're doing
Yeah.
it together
No, no, no.
at same time.
Simultaneous means this event is happening in simultaneous means is as the time passes, different event are happening. Not that full event happening in one time. This is not simultaneous, no? In this case, if you are selecting four participants for next round, no. In this case, this is also simultaneous, because yeah, for simultaneous we have, okay. Assume that, yeah. Another question. Assume that Manoj have only boys friend and Nitin have only girls. Okay. In that case, Manoj can only uh, invite boys, and Nitin can only invite girls. No matter if Manoj first or Nitin first, they can also select in same time. That is the non-simultaneous case. Event is happening in one time. Okay. Are you understand? Or so, any doubt? So I have to correct. This event is also simultaneous. Okay. Because if this is not simultaneous, then I can choose four. See, I have to be select four project for next round. But if this is not simultaneous, then I can select, then in this case I select one project which is represent only one person. Like assume that I select one project 1 P1, then I don't know which project I select. Then I can also select in for second project one like this. So all project are belongs to same person. So this is also simultaneously. Yeah. Any doubt?
Sir, please clarify about replacement and not replacement. No?
Okay, replacement I will do. So in simultaneous and non-simultaneous, any doubt? No doubt. Okay. So what do you mean by replace and non-replace? Replace means I
It
place
can
again.
be, I can place again.
Okay. Or not replace, not replace. If I remove from my bucket, then I not replace this again in my bucket. Okay.
Okay.
So in this question, if you see what is happening, if I select one boys, assume that Manoj have two friends, F1 and F2. Boys have okay. Okay. So this is B1 and B2. Okay. If Manoj select one boy B1, assume that he select B1. Okay. Now Manoj wants to invite two boys. Assume that he wants to invite two boys. In that case, if I replace again in my bucket, this is my bucket, assume that. Okay. If I replace, Manoj can also choose in second round B1 again. Okay. So what is the answer for here? In this case, what is the answer? Is this replacement or no replacement? Hello.
Sir, no replacement.
Yeah, no replacement. Why? Because if Manoj replace B1 again, then he can also choose. Manoj must be, condition is that Manoj must have to be invite two boys, because all possibility are there. So this possibility is also there. In this case, if Manoj firstly invite B1 and then replace again in this bucket, then in second case maybe B1 is also chosen. In this case, he only invite B1 only, which is not satisfy our condition. Okay. So without replacement, our event are happy. Okay. Any doubt in this?
Sir, not clear. Sorry.
Okay. Okay. You have one bucket in which balls are there. Number board 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now you want to choose two balls. Okay. Okay. Yeah, two different board. You want to choose two different board. So how many ways you can choose? How many ways?
4P2.
4C2, na?
Yeah.
4C2.
Why P?
4C2.
I am just choosing. Yeah. So
Yes,
4C2.
sir, 4C2.
Yeah. Yeah. If this case, if this event happening without replacement, with replacement, what will be the happen? Assume that in first case I choose ball 2. Okay. Then I replace again. Now in my bucket, how many balls are there? 4.
4C4.
And in second case, maybe I choose 2 again.
That will use permutation, na?
No, no. no permutation. I am not saying that this is my first. It's just choosing criteria. I am but just saying that I am not arranging in the pattern. Okay. I am just, this is my second bucket. Assume that this is my second bucket. I remove one ball and put in here, and then again one ball and put it in second box. Box 2, box 1. So I am selecting one ball from here and put in box 2, and then I choose again one ball and then put in box 2. So assume there is no permutation of concept. Okay. I'm just collecting the ball from these 4. Okay. I want to collect 2 balls. Now, if I replace again, then I can only get one ball. In this case, ball 2. Okay. So if I'm not replacing, what will happen? Firstly, assume that I choose ball 1, then one ball is removed from here. Now I can choose ball 3. Okay. So in this case, my point is valid, that 4C2, if you try all possible choices. But if you replace again in this box, then maybe in some cases you can only get one ball, like one ball or like 2 ball. Okay. Now your point is clear. If you have doubt, I can also explain by any other example.
Sir, still not clear.
Okay. So assume that you have 2 boxes and you are in one ball, you have balls like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. Okay. Now you want to collect 2 balls from this box. Box 1 to box 2. Okay. So how many ways you can do this? You just have to select 2 balls and put into the box 2. Okay. This one is clear.
Yes, yes.
How many ways I can do this? 4C2.
4C2. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So now assume that. So is this happening in replacement or non-replacement according to you? What will be the happen if I replace again, and what will be the happen if I not replace? What do you think?
So if you replace, the same balls may again come back.
Yeah, that will be happen now.
Ha.
Okay. So if this means that if I replace, I can get maybe
Same balls.
one ball only
Ha.
in my collection. But I want how many balls in my collection? 2.
2.
So same case is happening in our example. If he choose boy 1 and replace again, then in second case he can also choose boy 1.
Ha. Yes, yes.
In that case he can only choose one boy from his friend circle,
Okay.
but he wants to choose 2 boys.
So replace means you're putting the ball back to the same box 1.
Yeah. Replace, place and replace.
Okay, so you're putting the ball back to the same box 1.
Yeah.
So the second event, there is a chance that we will pick up the same ball.
Yeah.
So that means you are getting only one ball, which is same count 2.
Yeah.
So to overcome that problem, we are actually avoiding the replacement.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying.
Okay.
Yeah. Now you are understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. So this one is clear. Now we will move to the second question. Okay. Oh, shit. Okay. Yeah. What is the answer for this? And explain why. Okay. Now order matters or not matter, and we are using permutation or combination. 4
Order
options.
does not matter, and we are using combinations.
Order doesn't matter.
Okay. Why?
So because we can choose either of the way.
Yeah. Means we can choose.
I can
Assume
choose
that.
from Manoj or I can choose from Nitin. It doesn't
Yes,
matter.
doesn't matter.
Okay.
That
Okay.
is why combination is the
But we are not choosing Manoj and Nitin. We are choosing
boys and
friends
girls.
from Manoj and
Hmm.
Nitin. Yeah. So
That can happen either ways.
yeah. Okay. Any other reason? Maybe your reason is right. I'm just asking. Okay. Don't confuse that your answer is wrong. Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
I think if a boy is chosen first or second, it doesn't matter. He is included. That's
Okay.
why order doesn't matter.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. What do you by mean this? Assume that this is.
If Manoj takes two boys from his group, if the
Yeah.
first one boy is taken as B1 and the second boy is taken as B2, or it is
Yeah.
vice versa, both are the same.
Yeah.
That's why the order does not matter.
Yeah. Same answer given by previous one. Okay. G1 dash G2 dash okay. G3 dash similarly B1 dash B2 dash. So if I choose B1 G1 and B1 dash and G2 dash, or I choose B1 dash G1 G2 dash, both are same, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's why order not. Now, is this permutation or combination?
Combination, sir.
Combination.
Yeah. Yeah. So any doubt in this argument? No doubt.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Let's see. Yeah. So how many ways in which Manoj and Nitin can invite their friend? So how many ways? So what is the answer? I think you guys already solved this.
46 ways, sir.
Okay. Okay, let's see how.
So there are three possibilities. So
Okay.
either Manoj can choose two boys and Nitin can choose two girls. And the
Okay.
other way is each of them choose one boy and one girl from the group. And the
Okay.
third way is Manoj chooses two girls and Nitin chooses two boys.
Okay.
So these combinations we'll have to add, multiply and add all.
Okay.
So, but both like total count of girls and the boys has to be two. So in that case, third case, like we cannot choose like three girls
Yeah.
Two
or
Yeah.
girls,
three.
I
Yeah.
missed.
He missed. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So
No.
we can do Nitin, in first case, Manoj chooses two boys and Nitin chooses two girls. So there is
Hmm.
a land condition, then we add, so we get one ways. Means out of two girls, we Manoj chooses two boys and Nitin chooses two girls out of two. And
Okay.
for the second case, Manoj chooses one girl, either one girl or either one boy. So
Okay.
2C1 into 3C1, and
Sure.
Nitin chooses either one girl or one boy. So
Okay.
3C1 into 2C1. So there is an AND condition.
Yeah.
Then we multiply. Then
Yeah.
in third cases, Manoj chooses two girls and Nitin chooses two boys. So there is again AND condition. So 3C2 into 3C2. So we get 9 ways. So one
Okay.
ways, 36 ways, and 9 ways. So we get 46 ways total.
Okay. Now let's see. So first case is what? Manoj chooses two boys. Then for Nitin, we have only one choice that he have to be choose two girl. Okay. So 2C2 for Manoj. And how much? Nitin have how many girls in Nitin groups?
2 girls.
2 girls. So
2 girls.
2C2. Okay. Now
Yes.
plus, because these are all or. Okay. So now second case. Nitin invite 2 boys. So 2C2. Then how many girls in Manoj have only one choice? He have to invite 2 girls. So how
Sir,
many girls in Manoj
if
group?
Manoj chooses 2 boys,
Yeah.
2C2,
Yeah.
so Nitin has to choose 2 girls, right? So it is
Yeah.
3C2, right?
Nitin have only in Manoj in Nitin group only 2 girls are there.
Okay, Nitin group only
Yeah,
2
I
girls.
think
Okay, okay.
yeah, in Nitin group only 2 girls are there.
Okay.
Yeah.
It
So
should be
now in
the second statement.
yeah
Nitin
in sec
chooses 2 boys over 3 boys.
3C2.
now Manoj have to be choose 2 girls from 3
Ah,
capability. So
3C2.
3. Now
yeah.
this case in this case how many possibilities are there? If Manoj choose 1 boy 1 girl, similarly this. So how many ways this can be done?
Manoj choose
4 in
So what? Manoj choose
2C1, 3C1, sir.
2C1,
3C1.
3C1 and
Plus,
hmm,
plus again the other side is 3C1, 2C1.
okay. Y plus
No, we have taken 1 1 here. From the Nitin
yeah.
side, we have to take again 1 1 1.
So it's plus or multiply? It's
It's
and now.
it's multiply. Yep, it's and
Yeah. Yeah. So what's the answer?
again C 3C1,
2C. Okay.
3C1
3C1.
and 2C1.
3C1. So what's the answer? This is 1 plus 1 plus what? This is what? 2 into 3 into 3 into 2. Okay. So 9, 18.
6. That is a special
That
breed.
is. I think we missed something.
So there are 4 combinations, sir, actually. First one is 2 boys from Nitin and 2 girls from sorry, 2 boys from Manoj and 2 girls from Nitin.
Yeah.
And second is 2 2 boys from Nitin and 2 girls from Manoj.
Yeah. Yeah. So
That is
we
we are
have
missing.
more condition like
The second one is 3C2 into 3C2, sir.
2
3C.
boys.
Why 3C2? Okay. Yeah. This is 3C2. Why? So
that
this
is
is what?
right. We need
3.
to add that.
Yeah. 3. This is 3.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is how much? This is 36.
36.
So, one point to note that one has 3 girls and the distribution is a bit like it should be 3C2 and 3C2 in the second case.
3C2 and 3.
3C2.
Why
No,
is
girls
the
is only
3?
2 there.
No, just a second. Let me open it.
Okay.
It's
Boys are sorry. In
The
Nitin
combination
case,
is
boys are
2
3.
girls
So
from
that's why.
mother
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. You are right. In Niti's case, there are total 3 boys. Okay. Yeah. That's the missing part. Yeah. So now what is this? This is what? 3 into 3.
9.
Okay. Sorry. 9 and this 10 and this is
46.
10 plus 36 is 46. Yeah. Okay. So this is the answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah. So what is the next question? Okay. So a group of 5 employees and 3 leaders want to be do a group meeting. They have decided to sit around a circular table such that all leaders will sit together based on the given information. Answer. Yeah. So what's the answer? Simultaneous, non-simultaneous, replacement or no replacement? Without replacement.
Simultaneously and without replacement.
Why?
So because they have not given any conditions that only if this occurs, only then the second event will occur or will not occur. So people are sitting in an order so that event can occur simultaneously.
Okay.
And since people cannot be considered as objects, this is without
Okay.
replacement. A person can sit in only one place. Like we
Yeah.
cannot make the same person sit in so many other places. So it's without
Yeah.
replacement.
Yeah. Okay. Any other argument? Anyone else?
Sir, in circular sitting, replacement doesn't make any sense now, sir.
Okay.
So even
Uh,
people sitting in another place, it doesn't make actually the group of three leaders sitting at any sequence, it doesn't make any difference. So
okay.
the replacement doesn't matter for them, right?
And what's about simultaneous?
Selection of people occur simultaneously.
Sir, it will be simultaneous. Means like one person sits in seat one,
Hmm.
so only and only the second person can sit in seat two. Like first
Yeah,
seat
but I
is
have to be know where the first person sits.
yeah,
Otherwise,
exactly.
yeah. Your argument is right. Okay. So let's see. So how many employees are there?
5 employees, 3 leaders.
5 employees.
Yeah. A group of 5 employees and 3 leaders.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, and one more reason it should be simultaneous is because there is a condition that all the leaders should be sitting together and all the employees should be sitting together. Like
Yeah.
without that condition, they cannot check that if they are sitting with some other guy or something.
Yeah. So basically, I have to know who sit where one that guy is sit or not.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So we have 5 employees and 3 leaders. So first question you already know that simultaneous and what without replacement or replacement.
Without replacement.
Why without replacement?
Sir,
Yeah.
like someone have already given an argument that
Yeah.
like you cannot matlab,
So we
like
cannot
if
put the
there is a
same person in the another
Yeah.
seat,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
in both
So what's
in
the
two
option is for without replacement? C. Okay. So this is C with replacement. Oh, C is the okay. C is for replacement. No, without replacement. Okay. Now, what is the next part of this question? Yeah. Is order matter or not, or permutation or combination?
So it's permutation
Permutation, sir.
order matters.
Circular
Okay,
circular sitting
permutation
comes
because we
under
are
permutation.
in circular. Yeah, and order matters because
Because we are seeing the arrangement. So if
yeah,
person A is sitting next to person B, that's different. Like A B is different from B A arrangement in sitting.
yeah,
So
yeah,
Order also matters if it is actually same color beads we divided by 2, right? So here
yeah,
we can't do that. So we have to make the order.
yeah. Okay, now this how many ways we can do this?
N minus 1 factorial for circular.
N minus 1 factorial. Why?
For circular sitting, it is n minus 1, right?
But there is some constraint are there that
Yeah, so we
all
make
leaders
all the
should be
three leaders into one, so it will be 6 actually.
okay. Then 5 factorial. You are saying that 5 factorial is the answer.
Yes.
Okay.
It
Any
is
other?
5 factorial into 3 factorial because those
Why 3
three
factorial?
leaders can be arranged in 3 different ways.
Okay. Okay. Any other argument?
Actually, 3 leaders are uh, sitting together, right? So
Yeah, but this is not decided that leader 1, 2, 3 or 2, 1,
okay, so
3
you're
or
okay. I got it actually. So
3,
leaders is
2,
the
1.
3 object we are actually putting here.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's why this 3 factorial is multiplied. So what's the answer?
20 ways, sir.
20 ways?
720 ways. 720 ways.
Yeah. Now we have next question. Yeah. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Kanika has to be choose a t-shirt from for her outfit from the collection of 6 yellow t-shirt, 2 black and 4 blue. If the teacher is randomly, then what is the chance that a black and blue t-shirt is chosen by the okay. Okay, now let's see. So how many, what is our sample space?
Six yellow t-shirt, two black and four blue.
Okay, so all
Total is
12.
12.
Okay, okay. Now, okay, how many ways you can she can choose one t-shirt?
A combination will use like 6C1 or plus 2C1 or plus 4C1.
Okay, so what's the answer? 12, right?
12C1.
Yeah. So total possible outcome are 12. Now, what is how many ways you can choose one black t-shirt? She can choose one black t-shirt. So there are how many black t-shirt are there?
2C.
2 black and 4. So 2C1 plus or and what 4C1, which is what 6 divided by 12 is 1 by 2 divided 0.5. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah, use A union B formula because event are disjoint, so that's A intersection B is. Now this, a fair die is rolled twice and a fair coil is tossed twice. Different event, a 3 appear on a die twice and B is a head appear on a coin twice. Find the value of P of A intersection B. Okay, so which means what? How many? What is your sample space in this case?
From 1 to 6.
So, and any other argument? Because he is tossing rolling die twice. 2
So
time
there are 36 outcomes.
and 2 time coin. Okay. So how many total possible outcome are there? It's like this: 1 2 head head, 1 3 head head, 1 4 head tail, like this. How many outcome are there total? 36 into 4. Okay. 4 for head and tail and 36 for 1 2, like 1. Okay. Any doubt in this? Why 36 into 4?
No, sir.
What? Doubt or no? No.
No doubt, sir. 36 is okay.
Okay. 36 into 4 is okay. Now, what is A intersection B? A intersection B is like 3 3 and head head. This is only one event. So A intersection B contain only one event. So what is the probability there? Okay. This is the answer.
How 33 accurate is the only intersection?
What?
Sir, can you explain A intersection B? How you find?
A is what? 2. What is the A? 2 3 is appear on die twice, means 3 appear 2 time in die. If I roll firstly die, then 3, then second time is 3. Then B is what? Head is appear on coin twice, means firstly if I toss first coin, then head, then second time also head. So which is what? This is for die. 3 3 appear and headed appear. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. If you can also do this by what? See, since tossing a coin and rolling a die, both are independent event. So you can also do this by what? Probability of A into probability of B. So probability of A is what? 3 3 appear in 2 rolls. So what is the probability that? 1 by 36
Yes,
into
sir.
30.
and headed appear in 2 toss, what? 1 by 4. Yeah, so same. Okay. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. Let's move to the second question. Yeah. Two bags B1 and B2 containing
Sorry, sir. In the previous question, why we are taking 3 3 as an event
3 3 as an event. No?
for the die?
Yeah, because die is rolling 2 time and 3. The condition is given event A is what? 3 appear in on the die twice.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. Got it, got it.
Yeah. Two bags containing candies are placed on the bag. Bag 1 contains 7 cinnamon candies and 4 ginger candies. Okay. Bag 2 contains 3 cinnamon candies and 8 ginger candies. A box are arranged such that the probability of selecting bag 1 is 1 by 3 and probability of selecting bag 2 is 2 by
Could you
3.
please explain that question 8 one more time, sir?
Okay. So, see, a fair die is rolled twice, means you firstly rolled a die, you got one outcome, you note that outcome, and then you again toss a die, and again the what is the result you note. Okay. So how many outcome in this experiment?
Actually,
36.
they gave both the time. It is actually came 3 3.
What?
Both the
Yeah,
both the
both the
event
time
both the time it
both the
came
time
3
you got 3 and 3.
3 and 3.
Yeah. And similarly he toss coin
Head appears also twice.
twice, means head head. He
Head.
firstly he toss coin, he got head, and second time he also got head. So what is A intersection B? What is A? Firstly, what is A? Firstly, let's think. What is A?
A
3
is
3
3 3.
head tail. Sorry, head tail. 3 3 head head. 3 3 tail head, and 3 3 tail tail. This is A.
Yes.
Okay. What is B?
B is
These two positions are blank. Okay. Then we have head head.
headed.
So how many outcome in B?
Only one intersects, which is 3 3 8.
No. How many outcome in B? 36.
36.
Yeah. And what is A intersection B? Head head and
3 3 H H.
3 3. So A intersection B is head head 3 3.
Correct.
No, 3 3 head head. Okay. Or you can say head head. So what is the probability that this event happen? Total outcome is this. 1 divided by
This
total.
outcome only I'm confused to. That 36, how did you get it, sir? But,
36, how I get?
Yeah.
See, in first roll, I can get 6 possibilities.
Okay.
For second roll, I can also get 6. So how many ways, how many outcome in 2 toss of die?
Okay.
36.
36.
Similarly, how many outcome in 2 toss of coin? 2 into 2, 4. So total outcome is what? This.
Yeah. Got it.
Yeah. Now we are in this question. Okay, back to okay. Suman is blindfold and asked to select a candy. If she will win a color TV. If she select a cinnamon candy based on the given information, answer the question 9 and 10. Okay. What is the probability that Suman will win the TV? Okay. So how we will do this question?
So in the question, it's given that the
Okay.
given that
Probability of firstly probability of selecting sorry selecting bag 1 is what?
1 by 3.
1 by 3.
And probability of selecting bag 2 is what?
2 by 3.
2 by 3. This is one information which they give. And how many candies are in bag? Cinnamon candies are in bag
7
1.
cinnamon candies and 4 ginger candies in
Okay,
bag 1.
so probability of selecting one in B1 is what?
7 by 11.
7 by 11. And similarly, probability of selecting cinnamon from bag 2.
Which is 3 by 11.
Okay, 3 by 11. Okay, now all information which we need is done. Okay, now what is the probability that he wins? Probability that win TV is what?
Here we can use a total probability theorem. So the probability of B1 into probability of cinnamon candy, given that it's taken from B1, plus probability of selecting cinnamon candies from B2 into probability of cinnamon candies given that it's from B2.
Okay.
So when we add all of them, then we get 13 by 33.
Okay. So selecting cinnamon from B1 given selecting bag 1 into probability of bag 1, selecting bag 1, plus probability of selecting cinnamon candy from bag 2 given selecting bag 2 into probability of bag 2, selecting bag 2. Okay, so what is this first one? This is what selecting cinnamon candy from bag 1 is 7/11. Okay, into selecting bag 1. What is the probability of selecting bag 1? 1/3.
1/3.
Okay, then plus. Now what? Selecting cinnamon candy from bag 2 is what?
11.
3/11 into selecting bag 2.
2/3.
2/3. So what is the answer? This is what? 7/33 plus what? 6/33.
13/33.
13/33. Okay. 13/33 is the answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Basically, we partition our full space into two parts, bag 1 and bag 2. Then our event is what? Collecting cinnamon candy. Okay. If she win, now next question is, if she win color TV, then what is the probability that candy was from bag 1? So assume that now selecting bag 1 is my, okay. Now how to proceed? So what we have to find?
7/11 into 1/3 divided by
No.
13/33.
Now this is.
So we have to find probability of bag 1 given that cinnamon has chosen.
Bag bag 1 given that win
Cinnamon was chosen. She
yeah
got a TV.
cinnamon or win TV, same. Okay, a second. Why this is not in? That's it. Yeah. Now, yeah. So what? Cinnamon. Okay. Or win TV. Okay. What is this? This can be right like this. What?
Probability of choosing cinnamon given one was
law of total probability, I think.
Yes.
Right? Yeah. Okay. So what is the probability of cinnamon given that bag 1 into probability of bag 1 divided by what? Divided by what? What?
Probability of cinnamon in bag 1 into probability of bag 1 plus
Yeah, you can simply say that
the total
probability of
probability.
winning.
total
Probability of win TV, which we already find. Okay, this. So what is this? Probability of getting cinnamon from bag 1 is what?
10 by 2. Sir, 7 by 11.
33.
7 by 11 into
1 by
choosing
3.
bag 1 is 1 by 3 divided by 13 by 33, which is what? 7 by 13. Okay. Okay, so you have to be right in decimal point. So 0 point, what is 0, 13, 5, 5, like this. Okay. Now,
So please explain it again.
which one?
Last one.
This one.
Yes, yes.
Law of total probability, that P of A given B is equal to P of B given A into P of A divided by P of B. Like this, you already, okay, I have to be right formula. P of A given B is what? P of B given A, P of A divided by what? P of P given A, P of A plus P of B given A complement dot P of A complement, or this whole thing is what? Probability of B. Same thing is this is A, this is B, then use this formula. And probability of this we already found. See, either you can write like this, yeah, like this. In that case, this expression is replaced by what? This expression. Okay. Now everything in your hand, that P of cinnamon given bag 1 and probability of bag 1 and probability of winning TV. Any doubt? Or I have to explain again?
No, sir, clear.
Okay. Now, administration section of the university has started to create roll number of the student following of the format 23Z170 using the digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and capital letters at the third place. Assume no repeat. Find the number of ways in which the administration like the create the unique number. Okay. So how many digit roll number you have to make? 23Z170. So 6 digits. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now this digit is 0 for alphabets A to Z. Okay. And for these digit, how many options we have? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So how many ways I can choose this letter?
7.
7.
7.
This
6.
6.
why 6?
Repetition in
Yeah, repetition is not allowed. Then how many ways this can be
26.
happen?
26.
26. This is 5,
5, 4,
4,
3.
3. So what's the answer? This. So what is this product?
65520.
6, 5, 5, 2, 0. Okay, this is the answer. Next. So 6, 5, 5, 2, 0. Okay. Now we have one question is what? Consider the experiment of rolling a fair four-sided die twice.
Sir, can you repeat the 11th question once again?
Okay, so you want to make a password by using 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This letter, this number. Oh, just a second. Yeah, using these digits, and for third position you have to be use English alphabet A to Z. Okay. Now, how many ways you can choose? Basically, you are permuting, but your third position is fixed. Okay. Is this clear? That we are using permutation, but our third position is fixed for English alphabets. Okay. So left this. How many ways I can choose permute these 5 position? For this, I have 7 choice. Means how many? So assume like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Okay. Now my third digit, which is here, I note down here. Okay. So how many ways I can permute these 6 letters, 6 digits? No, 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4,
But
5, 6.
sir,
No,
if
no,
0 will come at first place, then it's become 6 digit, no?
no. It doesn't matter. This is not digit. This is a round number. Just a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, yeah, I have 7 digit. So no matter 0 is here, no matter, because
This
this
is for
is
password,
round number,
right?
not
So
number.
password we can use 0 also.
Yeah, password. It is like password. Yeah. Okay. So how many ways I can choose this? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Now my third digit is here, which can be chosen in how many ways? 36.
26.
Okay. Yeah, 26. Sorry. So how many ways are there? 26 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now consider an experiment of rolling a fair 4-sided die twice, where all the possible outcome are equally likely. Okay. So define the event. Event A is what? First roll result is 1. Sum of 2 roll is 7. 2 roll result is 2. So firstly define our sample space. So yeah. So sample space. What is the sample space? Note down 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, and 1, 4. Similarly, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, and 2, 4. Similarly, 3, 1, 3, 2, and 3, 3, 3, 4, and 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4. Okay. This is our sample space. Now, what is the event 1? First row die is 1. So A is what? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Right? What is B? Sum is 7, I think. Sum is 7. Yeah. So if I
3, 4, and 4,
sum
3.
this, so if I sum this number, I can't get 7. In this case, I also didn't get 7. In this case, only in this using this, I can get 7,
3, 4.
and in this case, I get 7. Okay, so 3, 4, and 4, 3. Okay, what is C? Last digit is 4, 2, 4. Last digit, second row result is 2. Okay, so what is 1, 2, 2, 2,
3, 2,
3, 2,
and 4, 2.
4, 2.
So the second row, second column, I mean.
Yeah, second column. This. So, what's the next question? Event A and B are A and C are independent. Are they? A and C. One is common in both. Okay, for independent, we have to be checked what?
The probability of A intersection B is equal to individual products of probability of A into
So,
B.
probability of A intersection C is what? In A intersection C, we
One
have
and
only
two.
one
One
event
and
is
two
there.
is there.
1, 2 is there. So, 1 by how much? 16. Okay, so what is the probability of A? 4 by 16, which is 1 by 4 into probability of B is 1 by 4, which is equal. Okay, so they are independent, or you can also think is this as, see, result in first toss, first roll and second roll are independent. So by that you can also say they are independent. Okay, now what is,
Sir,
yeah,
sir, how did you come to the conclusion, like through the equation that they are independent?
by this,
Yes, sir.
by this equation.
Yes,
So what is the definition of independent? P of A intersection C equal to P of A into P of C.
yes, sir.
Yeah, so probability of A intersection C is what? 1 by 16. Total outcome are 16. And A intersection C only contain what? A intersection C only contain 1, 2. If you find A intersection C, then that set only contain 1, 2. So 1 divided by 16 is your probability. And then what is the probability of happening A? A contain 4 items, or total outcome are what? 16. So 4 divided by 16 is 1 by 4. Same for probability of C, which is also 1 by 4. And 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 is 16. So this is what?
Yes.
Yeah. So probability of A intersection C equal to be probability of A into probability of C. This is what? 1 by 16. This is 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. So both are equal. So they are independent.
Okay, sir. Yeah, got it.
Yeah.
Matlab, if they are like equal, so if they come out to be equal, then they are independent.
Yeah. This is the definition of independent. No? Second definition is probability of A given B equal to be probability of A. Okay. Let's see the second option. What is the second one? A, B, C are mutually exclusive. What do you mean by mutually exclusive? They are disjoint, but they are not disjoint. 1 and 3, A and A intersection C contain what? 1, 2. Okay, so what the argument? A intersection C contain what? 1, 2, which is not empty. So if they are mutually exclusive, then in that case, what will be happen? A intersection B is 5, A intersection C is 5, A intersection B intersection C is 5, and third last case is what? A intersection B intersection C equal to 5, but A intersection C is not 5, so that's why they are not mutually exclusive. Now what is the third option? A, B, C are exotic. So what is mean by exotic? Can anyone tell? Okay, means A intersection A union B union C equal to be whole sample space. So exotic means A union B union C is our sample space. Is this true? In our case, no, because if I union these, I got only how much? Mostly, how much I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But in my sample space, there are 16 elements. So this is not true. So that's why they are not exotic. Okay, now fourth option
So
is
they
what?
are mutually exclusive or not?
No. I gave reason why it is no. If they are mutually exclusive, then all these four conditions are true. Okay. What do you mean by mutually exclusive?
There is no common element in between.
Yeah, if I choose any two set, or any means if I have n set and I choose any number of set, their intersection must be 5. But here A intersection C is 1, 2, which is not 5. That's why they are not mutually exclusive. Now, okay,
Okay, sir.
let's go back to
Sir,
fourth
what
option.
is exhaustive?
Means A union B union C equal to be our sample space. Union of all those set is sample space. But in this case, this is not true. If you
Okay.
see, yeah,
Got it, got it, got it.
yeah. Okay, so what is probability of A given B union C? Probability of okay, A given B union C. So what is this? This can be written as probability of A intersection B union C divided by probability of B union C. Okay. So what is the probability of A intersection? Firstly, what is the A union B? A union B is what? This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These elements are in A union B, B union C, sorry. Okay. So what is the these 7? And what is the intersection of A intersection B union C? So A have how many elements? This. So are there is any common element in this? Yeah, 1, 2 is the common in A and B union C. Yeah, see, this element is common. Okay. So A intersection B union C is what? 1, 2. So what is the probability of this? 1 divided by 16. Okay. Any doubt in this? Okay. So now what is the probability of A union B? How many elements are in A union B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 6 divided by 16, which is what? 1 by 6. Okay. So which are the option 2? A and D are true. Okay. Yeah. A and D are true. Okay. Now we have next question. Okay. So yeah, a manufacturer of a new fitness gadget showcased the product at the high traffic fitness expo. The following table
Can you
summarize the
explain last option again?
which one? Previous one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we have to find A given B union C. This yeah. So A given B union C is what? A intersection B union C divided by, assume that this is one event E day. So this is what? A intersection E divided by A probability of A. So this is what? Probability of A intersection B union C. So how many elements are in B union C? Yeah. These many elements are in B union C.
6 elements.
Yeah. And what is the intersection of B union C with A? Only one element is common, 1, 2.
Yes, sir.
So what is the probability of A intersection B union C? A intersection
1,
B union C only contain one element. So what is the probability? 1 by
1
16.
by 60.
Okay, because total outcome are 16. Then what is the probability of B union C? B union C contains 6 elements. So what is the probability of B union C? 6 by 16.
Yes, sir.
So if you solve this, 1 by 6. Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now what we have? Yeah. So we have following table. Yeah. Yeah. Answer the following question. What can be said about the association between the two variables, reaction and genders? Okay. So okay. So both are our what? Both are so what type of hmm, variable are they? What type of variable? How many type of variable we have in data?
Numerical.
So is this numerical
Sir, which one?
in this table, in this question, there is two variable, reaction and gender.
A reaction and gender is a categorical variable.
Okay. So what about their correlation coefficient? Can we find correlation coefficient for categorical data variable?
No, sir.
Okay. So fourth option is left. Okay. Now we have okay. Scatter plot is the most appropriate graphical representation of the given data. Is this correct? In categorical data, scatter plot is most appropriate.
No, so in categorical data, pie chart or bar chart is more
Okay.
suitable.
So this option is also wrong. Okay. Now also in okay. Now not associated with gender, and now let's see first two option. So for that we have to make what? What? How we compare their association? By frequency
Contingency
table.
table.
Yeah, contingency and frequency table. Okay. So we will make what? Frequency table. Let's see. So for that okay, I have to be need that. Okay, just a second. Yeah. Shit. Okay. Okay, just a second. Hmm. Okay, let me check my internet connection. Why this is not open? Yeah. So favorable, ambivariant, unfavorable, 25-10. Okay. 10 and so we have one table. This is a reaction. This is what? Gender. Okay. Now this is what? Favorable, ambivariant. What is valent? Ambivalent. And next is what? Unfavorable. Okay. Now we have what? Then we have female and male. Female, male. Okay. Then we have how many outcome are here? How many? 40. Let's see. 4, no, 25 and 10. 25 and 10. And here 40,
40, 35, 30.
35 and 30. So now let's create what? Column frequency table. And what that represent? Column frequency table, relative frequency table. That how many female are react
30,
on
35, 35.
what? Yeah, 35.
Female.
I am asking that what column frequency table represent? It represents that out of total female, how many percentage of female are in favorable reaction and ambivalent reaction and
20 by
that
35.
35,
5 by 35.
35 and what? 35. Okay, this is total is 35. And this is what?
105.
105.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 105, 105. Okay, so what's the answer?
So
Yeah.
we can do this by row relative frequency also.
Yeah, we can do in that case what that represent. That represent in the favorable category how many percent are female and how many are male. Yeah, you can do by that also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So what's the answer? I am writing answer in next block like this. Okay. This is for female. This is for male. Okay. So this is what? 2 divided by 35
4
is
by
what?
4 by 7.
Just yeah. 4 by 7. No, in points.
Yes, okay.
In point, it will be what?
0.57.
0.57. Okay, this is second 5 by 37. 0.14.
0.14.
And this is what? 0.
उसका double
Yeah, 28.
0.28.
Yeah, 20. Yeah. Now for male, this is what? 0.38,
Uh,
0.33,
0.38.
0.28. Okay. Now, if there is any yeah, is there is any association between gender and the reaction? If you see, yeah, is there is any yeah, what is the relation? So
There is
when will be the they
association.
are independent and when will be the they are dependent by column frequency and that? If all rows, all columns are, if all these two columns are same or rows are same, for column frequency we see what? Column, right?
Yes.
So are they these two columns are same?
No.
No. So there is association or not? Yes.
No, there is no association.
No. Recall the definition. If the columns are different, then they are
Associated.
yeah. So they are associated. Okay. Recall that definition. In which week this week cover? I think third or fourth week. I think. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So what is the answer? They are associated. Okay. Now we have next question is what? A person is randomly picked from a group, then what is the probability that person is female given that the person reaction in favorable to the new gadget? Enter the answer to the correct to the answer. Okay, so we have to find what? Conditional probability that person is female and reaction is what? Or favorable. Okay.
Favorable.
Yeah. Okay. Now, so what is the probability? If you see person is female, yeah, see what is the probability?
Sir, 0.57.
Why?
Sir, they're asking like if the person is female and they have uh, favorable opinion. So like
And you are saying what? Column frequency. You are saying saying which column relative frequency, and what column relative frequency tell? Out if I see the column frequency, then it will tell what? Yeah, favorable given that female.
favorable reaction.
Yeah,
Yes.
but question ask about what? Reaction is favorable, and that is she is female. So what is the answer?
Twenty by
Question ask
60, sir.
about, question ask about what? Let me see. The person is female. What is the probability that person is female? Okay, person is female. Given that person react on of physics. Yeah. So react on where is the question? React on this region and that person is female. So we have to be see what row frequency. So what 20 by 60, which is what
1/3, sir.
1/3, which is what? 0.33, I think. Yeah, 0.3. So this is 0.33. Okay, now you understand, or I have to explain?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I understand.
Okay. So now we have what? Last question. What? You are not audible.
Can you once again recall why we can't use row relative frequency?
So if we use row relative frequency, in that case, what that will tell? That will tell that, see, in row relative frequency, I divide by what? Total number of female. Okay. So in row relative, in column relative frequency, I divide it by what? Total number of female, and in uppercase, what I write? Total number of female and react on what? Favorable. So what is this? This is what? Probability of favorable given female. But we want to find what? Female given favorable. Okay, now you understand?
Okay.
Yeah. Now this is the question. We have to, yeah. Which among of the following statement? Okay, sorry. Yeah. Following statement are true for variable x. Mean and median will be the same if standard deviation is 0. So what happen if standard deviation is 0? What standard deviation tells? It gives spread of your data. Okay.
So it gives a spread like, but
So see, if I see my plot my data, it gives, if assume that this is my kind of my data. In this is my spread. Okay, this whole thing is my spread. Okay, now if standard deviation is 0, this means what? All the data in same place.
yeah.
Okay,
Yes,
this
sir.
means what? Mean is this and median is also this, because I have only one value by
So
intuition. If
one
you
doubt,
find by, yeah,
like if we consider this, it's because it's talking about a single variable, now.
yeah,
First. So I think that drawing that in Cartesian, that is xy plane, is wrong. We should just draw it along like only x-axis or only along y-axis. Nothing more
okay,
than that. Second point is,
yeah,
when we are saying that,
yeah. So you can, in that case, assume that it's a single variable, then your data is like this.
yeah,
This, sorry for that. This, like this.
yeah,
Now, if this is your called your spread, okay, in how
yeah,
many place? Now, if your spread is 0, this means all the point are in same point. All
yeah,
the data
they
in
are
same
along
point.
the
This
line.
means what?
Yeah.
Your mean is also this point, and median is, because there is only one
So,
value which your random variable takes.
so just
Yeah,
like, if along this x-axis,
yeah,
you just draw like 3 points close together.
yeah. What?
Means I want you to draw like 3 points that are like quite close. Means 3 पॉइंट ऐसे हैं जो बहुत पास में हैं, फिर बीच
So,
में बहुत सारी जगह है, फिर 2 पॉइंट्स हैं जो काफी पास में हैं.
huh.
ठीक है, तो in that case what we have is
In
median
that
is
case, you also you have some there is some deviation are there also. See, what is the definition of standard deviation?
sir, could you draw like that particular case, because I was like in a pit when I
Okay,
considered this particular case.
okay, this, then you are saying that this
Yeah,
and this should then,
like 3 points here.
okay,
Quite
one,
close.
two,
एक दूसरे के close ही 3 points
yeah,
here.
this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
इन दैट केस
So
हमारा जो मीडियन है वो बीच वाला है, जो थर्ड पॉइंट है, बट अगर हम यहाँ पर मीन निकाल लेंगे
no,
तो
no,
वो
it is not necessary that your mean is in your data point. Mean is this. Maybe mean is not in your data point.
या सो दे आर
Yeah.
डिफरेंट, मीन एंड
Yes.
मीडियन आर डिफरेंट हियर.
Yeah. But standard deviation is in the standard deviation is 0 in this case.
Yeah, it's 0 because it's along lying along x-axis only.
So
It's
no, no,
assume.
no. See, assume that this is your x bar. Now, what is the standard deviation? X bar minus xi square.
Yeah.
Okay, summation divided by n. Now, is this quantity is 0? If this is 0, this means what? Your this quantity is 0. This means what? Xi square is 0 for all, because this is positive term. If n positive term sum is 0, this means all positive term are 0. And now, if this is 0, it means what? Your this is 0. This is 0 means what? Your x bar is equal to be xi for all i's. Okay. This means what? Your all xi's are equal. Okay. Yeah,
Oh,
that's why you can say this by intuition or by mathematics also. Okay. Don't confuse. Now, now what is the variance will be increases by multiplying each observation of x by a constant. Is this true?
so what you just showed, that x bar is equal to all x size. That means that all the points will be like singular, like it's if
Yeah,
it's one,
it's all means your
one.
random variable only take you. I think you didn't learn this concept. Okay, this means what? All x size takes only one value, which is x bar.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So only one data is there, no?
Yeah.
All
So
point are this, this. All x size are this. Okay.
So in
Yeah.
that, in this particular case, we cannot only say that yeah, its mode is also going to be the same thing, no? Then
What?
the सारे
Yeah,
points A.
its mean is also same. Its median is also same, and its mode is also same.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
Okay, so what is the next one? Variance will be increases by multiplying each observation by C. Is this correct?
Yes, sir.
Why? Assume that what is the property of variance? Variance of Cx is what? C square of variance of x. You know all this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now assume that C is what? 1 by 2. Then what is this? This is variance of x divided by 4. Now, is this increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Yeah, so not true. Okay, so range of x will be remain the same with the increase the number of observation of x. So is this true or?
No, sir, it's not true because range is the maximum minus minimum. So if the number of observation is increased, then maybe the maximum and minimum value
Yeah,
change. So it's
yeah,
not always.
yeah, you are right. Okay. 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 So any doubt? So this is a mock. Uh, this is kind of your quiz will be same level. The difficulty of quiz, if this is difficult for you, or if not, it's good. Yeah. So prepare for your exam.
Sir, can you like tell
Can
about last option?
Which?
repeat last question.
Just second. Just second.
Sir, the last option. I mean, there's someone who gave an argument ki, if the observation increases, if the observation increases, then the range will also increase. Uh, the total minus initial will be is the range.
Can you
So,
repeat
sir,
your
so like
arguments?
according, it's not my argument. I'm just saying
Okay.
someone defended that third argument. So
What?
according to that, the fourth should be right. So why is it like wrong?
Yeah, fourth is right now. That's just a second. Range is always increased with the increase of the it doesn't see if my observation assume that let's just say
So if we consider the same thing that you said, that
yeah
x bar is going to be xi, then in that case, my range is going to be always 0. That is, it will go,
okay
remain same.
just second okay assume that in firstly you have these values in your which your x takes okay these observation which x take now what is the this is x1 x2 x3 x4 x5 which values x takes okay now what is the range in this case x5 minus x1 okay this is the range in this case now assume that I increase the observation this is my x6 this is my x7 are my range increase is
So,
my
but
range increase
no, but you cannot consider this xi, x1, x2, and all this xi's to be different, because you yourself said that x bar is xi.
that case is particular case when standard deviation is 0 then that case is true this is
Okay.
not for standard deviation is true
So, but sir,
0
it's talking about this considering this particular case now, because else we don't know that
what
in this question whether it's talking about standard deviation 0 or what.
means
No,
see
just
there
uh,
are four conditions
uh,
first option is what mean and median will be the same if standard deviation is 0 okay in that case this is true if standard deviation is 0 then mean and median are equal okay now second case is second option is totally different from one second option says that variance of x is increased by multiplying by observation of x by constant so this is totally different from first option okay assume that what these two options are totally different they are first it's saying that standard deviation is 0 for second case maybe standard deviation is not 0 because
mhm,
if second case standard deviation is 0 this means what variance is 0 because variance is your square root of
mhm.
square of standard deviation
Yeah,
okay
yeah,
so
got
in
it.
that case your
Mm,
non if I multiply each observation by x then my variance is in that case itself 0 if I
mm,
assume that my standard deviation is 0 so as you treat these all options are different
mm.
questions
Okay, sir.
yeah now you have any doubt in why
Explain
this
option
is
second.
second
Sir, sir, the last option I didn't quite get that.
okay so see assume that now firstly I have one random variable which take values x1 x2 x3 x4 and x5 okay which is this 1 2 3 4 5 so what is the range in this case maximum minus minimum this is my number line okay this is 0 now what is my maximum and minimum this is my maximum this is my minimum so this is my range now I what the condition yeah now I increase my number of observation so this is my x6 and this is my x7 now two variable or x new is what x1 x2 x3 x4 x5 x6 okay x6 x7 okay now what is the range in this case
It will be the same
same so
according
is
to
this
the
increased
line you have.
yeah is this increased
No.
you so what about option 4
Okay.
because it tells about always increase but there are some cases where it is not increased
Okay, sir. Yeah.
yeah
Yeah. Got it.
same argument for above one
Okay, sir.
okay
Option second.
option second is what this I will see you know this formula variance of cx is c square variance of x You know, I think
Yes, sir. Yes.
it already discussed in previous lecture. The mean of Cx is C of mean of x. Okay. So if I multiply my each observation by C, then variance is multiplied by what? C square. Now assume that my C is what? 1 by 2. Then what is my variance of Cx? Variance of Cx is what? 1 by 4. Variance of x divided by 4. Now is this increased or decreased?
Decrease.
So what is the option? It tells about what? By constant C. He not specified that is that constant is integer or not. If this is integer, constant is integer, then it will be increased. Why? If C is integer, then my formula, my variance is what? C time variance of S. And variance, this is what? Integer. So this is 4 or 5, 6, whatever. So it will be always increased in that case. But question not specify that about C. So I can take C is 1 by 2 like this. So in that case, it is not increased. Okay. Any doubt? Now? Now I think it is clear. Okay. So any doubt in this?
Sir, question 8, the second part, I'm a little doubtful about.
Okay, second part, question 8.
I could understand uh,
But
the
in question 8, there is only one part, I think.
no. How come we got 1 by 44?
Okay, see.
Find the
In
value
this,
of B A intersection A.
okay, so what is event 1? Event A is what? 3 appearing
On
dice
the dice.
twice. Means
Twice.
if I toss die 2 times, in both die I got 3.
Ha.
What is the probability that this will be happen?
One only, one time only.
1 by 36.
1 by 36, yes.
Okay. Now, what is the probability of B happening? B is what? Head and both time head happening two tosses, which is
Correct.
what? 1
1
by
by
4.
4. 1 by 4, yes.
And these two events are independent.
Yes, sir.
So probability of A intersection B is what?
Probability of
Probability of
A
A
into
into
probability
probability
of
of
B.
B.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Now you can
And
see.
also question number 12, sir.
Question number 12. Okay. Okay. What is the number 12? Okay. Now A is what?
Oh,
So you have four-sided die and you roll die twice. Okay.
correct, sir.
Now A is your one in the first place. So one in the first place, then how many outcome in A? Possible outcome in A. A
4, sir.
is 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, and 1 4. Four
Correct.
outcome.
4
And
outcome.
what is the probability of A? 1 by 4 by 16,
4 by 16.
which is 1 by 4. Okay.
Hmm.
Now what is B? B sum of two roll is 7. So when
Uh,
will be the sum is 7? First 4
5,
4
5.
3 and 3 4.
4, 3 and 3, 4.
Okay. Now what is the C? C is second result. Second roll result is 2. So how many outcome in 2? 1 2, 2 2, 3 2, and 4 2.
4 times.
What is the probability of C? Is 1 by 4.
1 by 4.
Now if you by simply see your tossing a die two times. First time you roll a die and got one result, and second time you roll a die and you got second result. Are they independent?
Sir, here I have a doubt is in the B segment, sum of two rolls is 7. So you have taken 4 3 and 3 4. 1 or 2 5 and 5
1 or 2, 1 or 2 5. 5 is it is four-sided die. Only 1 2 3 4 are possible,
okay,
not 6.
four-sided die. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now your doubt is clear.
No, so the later part which you were explaining, could you please repeat that?
Okay. So now A and B, A and C. What is A? You got first one in first roll,
Hmm.
and C is what? You got two in second roll. Are
Yes,
these two events are independent?
yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. By intuition they are, we can directly say, but by formula is what? A intersection C. What is A intersection C? A contain all the element like 1 2 1 3, and B contain is like what? 1 2 2 2 2 3, and 3 2, like this, 4 2. So what is the intersection? Intersection contain only what?
Common elements.
Yeah, common element is what? 1 2,
1 2,
which
yes.
will be happen in both cases.
Can you
Okay.
show the notes, sir,
Yeah,
where we have written?
yeah. You can see here. So these are my out A B C.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Now what is the intersection of A and C? 1 and 2.
1
1
and
2.
1 2, yes.
Yeah. And by intuition you can also say, by intuition what? It is obvious that if you got 1 in first roll and second in second roll, 2 in second roll, what is the intersection? This only, na?
This only, yes.
Yeah. So what is the probability of this? 1 by 16.
1 by 16, yes.
And what is the probability of A? 1 by 4. What is the
Yes,
probability of B? 1 by 4.
yes,
Is
sir.
this equal?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So they are independent.
Yes, sir.
Now, okay. Now second option is what? They are mutually exclusive. So what do you mean by mutually exclusive? If I pick any of two, A or B, A and C, A and B and C, firstly that they are disjoint. Or
Yes.
second is what? If I choose all three, their intersection is also 5. Okay, no element is common. So if,
Okay.
yeah, if you see this, these are the all possible conditions which have to be satisfied by this. If they are independent, no, not independent. If they are mutually exclusive.
Right.
So, but A intersection C is what?
1 and
A
2.
intersection C contain 1 2.
1 2.
So it is not satisfy this condition.
Yes.
So they are not mutually exclusive.
Exclusive. Okay.
Now what is the third condition? A and B are, A, B,
Exactly.
C are executive. Yeah. So what do you mean by this? This means what? A union B union C is your all possible outcome, but they are not. If you see A union B union C, see this is A union B union C is
Yes.
contain what? This only these element, and 1 2 appear two times. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 only contain 9 element, A union B union C, but total outcome are there what? 16. So
Yes.
this is not true. So they are not executive. Now,
Exhaustive means they will not contain all the elements.
yeah, means A union B union C is not equal to be your S. S is your outcome space.
Okay.
Yeah. Now,
Okay.
what is the our fourth condition? Probability of A given B union C, which is what? Probability of A intersection B union C divided by probability of B union C. Now find probability of now find A intersection B union C. What is A intersection B union C? B union C is your this part. Which part? This one. This part is your B union C. This is your A. What is A intersection B union C? It is only 1 2. So A intersection B union C contain only 1 2. This. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So what is the probability of this? 1 by 16.
Yes, sir.
And what is the probability of B union C? B union C contain how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements.
Yes, sir.
So what is the probability? 6 by 16.
6 by 16. Yes, sir.
So what's the answer? 1 by 6.
Okay.
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 This.
Yes, sir. Got it. Got it.
Okay. Any other doubt?
Sir, can you please share these notes in a PDF format also?
I can share, but I think they upload this recording because yeah. But
No,
I
recording is okay, sir. Just to have a glance, we can have the
okay.
notes.
Just second. Firstly I have to be save this. Just save option. The print. No. Where is the save option? Share option.
So they are on the right hand side. The top corner, share option.
No, not share. Save option. I need firstly I have to save this. Yeah. PDF format.
PDF or Word is also okay.
Okay, no problem. Just a okay. I'm share in chat. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I have one doubt from that week 7 tutorial 4 that 30,000 students won that we
Okay.
discussed.
Just second. Just second. I'm confused. Why? Just second. Sure. Okay. Where is the file? Why this not? Just second. One minute. Okay. How to share this file in chat? I didn't get any. It ask about link. Any
So
idea?
there is a third option in the chat window, third from the left. If you will hover on that icon, it will pop say file.
Okay. Just second. It's not coming in chat. There is. Okay. There are three dot. No.
Middle option, sir, I think.
Bottom.
No. It only there is T format and
Beside it, there is an emoji symbol, and beside that, that is a paper symbol, folded paper on the
Yes, sir.
right.
You can upload
there is
there.
yeah. I in previous I already upload some document, but this time it is not showing any option.
There is one
Just
pen button. There is one, I
if you
guess.
show us your chat box, so can we just think? I think I did some mistake. What is this? Okay, okay, how to okay, T option? There is file. Okay, okay. Now I'm good. Okay. This is all. Okay. Thanks. Yeah, it send it. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, let's see you. Bye.
Sir, I have that tutorial doubt, a week 7
Okay.
tutorial.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Week 7 tutorial out. Okay, week 7. Which tutorial? Which tutorial?
It's tutorial 4.
Week 7 tutorial 4. Its tutorial is video, I think.
Yeah, it's a video.
Okay. So
Uh,
what is your doubt?
Sir, I don't know why this particular approach is valid thought here. How sir?
Okay. So I am not. So I for question I have to be watch this video. So can you explain this
Sir,
question?
sir, it's available in the tutorial question. If you will just go on the tab tutorial questions, no, it's the same question.
Tutorial
A bit
question.
up, a bit up, a bit up, and weeks. It's a PDF for the same questions.
Okay. Now
Question number
which
4.
question?
Question number
Yeah.
4, please.
So 300 students joined the ITM online degree course for data science. ITM online degree 7 of feedback from form to Mary and I joined this course. What is the probability that Mary the feedback form and get the feedback form? So what is your doubt?
Sir, I don't know, I'm not getting the right answer in this particular question.
Okay. So how many ways you can select 1,000 student?
That's 30,000 choose 1,000.
Yeah, which is what?
That's just a second. Let me just write it again.
Okay, let's do this question. So which is what? Now we have 30,000 C 1000, which is what? 30,000 factorial divided by 100 factorial into 30,000 minus.
29,000 factorial.
Is that 30,000 or 3,000?
It's 30,000, sir.
Okay. Okay, so 30,000 minus 1,000. Okay. Now, what is the our event that that guys get form or that girl is not okay. Okay. Mary got the feedback form and Asad don't didn't. Okay. So how many ways this can be happen?
Uh,
So this will be happen like how many ways? What?
it's like saying that one of this is Mary. Yeah, what is the probability that Mary got the form? So Mary will get the form in whatever this 30,000 choose 1,000 is.
Hmm.
It's going to just a second. Mary got the feedback form. That is equal amount. That's like it's divided by 30,000.
So now what will be the happen? So if okay, just what is the probability then? Random 100 select, then Mary got the feedback form and not. So how many ways Mary got? So not. This will be happen in How many ways? 30,000 C 99 999 999 is get 998 because that she get always never chosen. Okay, now okay, so how many ways that event will be happen? Okay, so for that, remove one person from my total numbers, which is what? -1 C. And now out of these, choose how many? 999, because that Mary always get that feedback form divided by what? 100 3000 C this. Now can you solve this? So this is what? 29999 factorial divided by 29999 factorial minus what? No, not minus.
So
Minus
what?
this.
Let me like share you my approach. What actually I did in this particular question.
Okay.
I named this term that is 30,000 choose 10 as T to write it like in a simpler term, more simpler term.
Okay.
So
So
what
you
happened?
this is a T. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's saying that what is the probability that Mary got the feedback form? So that's going to be like it's going to be T by 30,000 because
Uh,
each student will get equal number of
T
forms.
by 30,000.
Yeah, because each
Uh,
student will get equal number of forms.
so this is your see. This is your collection of uh, how many ways you can make collection of 1,000 people.
Yeah, so
Okay.
whatever this total count is, each student means हर एक student का नाम बराबर number of इसमें होगा, बराबर number of in combinations में. So मेरे पास 30,000 students हैं.
Okay.
So
So you are saying that divided by how many?
no,
T
no,
divided by
total number of T divided by 30,000.
this is what? This is
This is
your
what कि
each
भाई
each combinations probability.
no,
This is
this is the count of in how much form Mary के पास form गया.
no. This is not that. Na. See, in this case, maybe your Mary is not included in this combination.
सर मैरी इज नॉट इंक्लूडेड आई एम सेइंग कि मैरी कितने फॉर्म्स में है मैरी कितने काउंट
So
में है
yeah. So for
काउंट
that,
इज टी बाय 30,000 दैट
T,
आई एम
no. T by 30,000 is your not your Mary count, because see, Mary firstly 30,000 are your total student. Out of that, this is your what? This is your collection of all
टोटल नंबर
1,000
ऑफ
people.
कलेक्शंस या
Yeah,
टोटल नंबर ऑफ
yeah.
कलेक्शंस
This is so there is no by T divided by 30,000. There is no make sense about that how many combination marries occurred.
मेरा आइडिया ये है इसमें सिंपल सा कि
Okay.
जैसे कि अगर हमारे पास 4 स्टूडेंट्स हैं ना
हाँ.
एंड हम उसमें से 3 स्टूडेंट्स का कॉम्बिनेशन बना रहे हैं
Okay.
तो उसमें जैसे कि जो टोटल नंबर ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशंस होंगे ना जितने उसमें एक फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट होगा वो बराबर ही होगी टोटल उसका काउंट बराबर होगा जितने में सेकंड स्टूडेंट होगा उतना ही काउंट होगा उतने ही नंबर ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशंस होंगे जिसमें वो हमारा थर्ड स्टूडेंट होगा दैट इज व्हाट आई एम
एक बार दोबारा
मैं ये कह रहा हूँ जैसे कि हमारे पास 4 स्टूडेंट्स हैं और हम 3 का स्टूडेंट्स का कॉम्बिनेशन बना रहे हैं
इसका
दैट इज
मतलब तू this means what? You are just selecting one student. These both things are equal. Okay.
या
Yeah. This means you are selecting one people in this case. Okay. Now you divide this by Now continue your argument.
अब मैं कह रहा हूँ कि जितना भी अकाउंट है,
Okay.
या उसमें जो मेरा फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट है, उस वो बराबर नंबर ऑफ काउंट्स में होगा। दैट जैसे कि अगर मैं देखूं, मेरे अगर 2 काउंट्स में मेरा स्टूडेंट 1 का नाम आया, तो दो ही कॉम्बिनेशन में मेरा स्टूडेंट 2 का भी नाम आएगा। ये चीज कह रहा हूँ। सो दैट्स लाइक बराबर बराबर काउंट होगा सभी का।
जिसमें 2 में मेरा कहते हैं स्टूडेंट 1 का नाम होगा, so you have 4 student and you make collection of 3
या
and you are saying that जितना में मेरा एक का नाम होगा,
या
स्टूडेंट A1 का नाम होगा, उतना में ही मेरा
स्टूडेंट 2 का भी नाम होगा।
A2 का नाम भी होगा।
या
ओके, ये ठीक है। हाँ,
इस आइडिया को मैं एक्सटेंड करना चाह रहा हूँ सर इस क्वेश्चन में।
तो इसमें कैसे करोगे?
हम्म
कैसे करोगे?
काउंट हमारे पास बराबर है या डिवाइड 30,000 होगा, या
नहीं, वो
एग्जैक्ट 30,000 नहीं होगा, बट
तो वो
सम।
बताएगा क्या तुम्हारा? 30,000 से तुम डिवाइड करो तो वो बताएगा क्या?
ओके, या इट्स इनरिलेवेंट, या डिवाइड बाय
या
30,000, क्योंकि ये बराबर
इन
तो
दिस
होगा।
केस आई थिंक you develop this theory for this case, I think. Then you want to extend this in this case.
या
This is simply is that you are choosing one student. This means
सर
rejecting selecting one student means rejecting one student in this case, but this
या
is totally different. Yeah,
या गॉट इट, वो
so
बराबर।
maybe think your this concept in 8C3, then try to extend. Maybe this is true, I don't know, but yeah, but now this is, for me this is not make sense. Okay.
उसका डिवाइड बाय 30,000 नहीं होगा, कि वो काउंट की बराबर तो है, बट एग्जैक्टली डिवाइड बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट होगा या नहीं, उसके बारे में हम नहीं कह सकते।
Okay.
आई गॉट दैट पॉइंट, या आई
Yeah,
वाज देयर।
but in my
आईडी
case I am just saying that see, this many your total number of outcome.
या
Now how many ways you can uh, send the form to the 1,000 person, so that Mary always get, but Ashad not get. What is the okay? So I just remove from that guy from my total students. Okay, then I have this many student, and then I send the letter to the 99 student, because Mary always get in that case.
या
Okay, now this is my all possible event that can be happen, all possible outcome that will be in my event space, and this many total outcome. Now divide this, maybe answer is, maybe I don't know.
सर इट्स जो ये है, ये खाली हमने काउंट किया कि जो मैरी के पास है फीडबैक
या
फॉर्म,
no, मैरी के पास है और दूसरे बंदे के पास नहीं है।
एंड नो नो इट्स हमने एक को एक्सक्लूड किया है ना सर।
हाँ, मैरी को
हमने एक
इंक्लूड
को
किया है
एक्सक्लूड
और एक को
जैसे
एक्सक्लूड किया है।
ये
Yeah, what about question asking about Mary got the feedback form, but Ashad not didn't.
या सो इट्स मैरी को हमने चूज कर लिया,
Sir,
सो एक एक
sir,
पॉकेट
can I
आगे
say
हमारे पास।
So now I
idea?
have to be
Just
send. I have to be choose 99%, 999%,
I got it. I'm
and I
sorry.
remove Ashad from my total student. Yeah, maybe
Sir, I'm
this
solving
concept
it.
work.
Sir, I'm
sir.
solving it. Give me a
Yeah,
minute.
Okay. Okay.
A minus one minus. Please go ahead, sir. I'm solving this and trying to check कर रहा हूँ एक बारी, means answer are we matching or not.
Sir, what
Yes.
actually I was thinking,
yeah,
we have to find that Mary got and the other person did not get, sir.
yeah,
So it should be like Mary got and the other person did not get. That
yeah,
means it's A intersection B.
yeah. You can
B.
think also from that side.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just find A. What is the probability of A and what is the probability
A
of
is
B?
1 by 30, sir.
Yeah, okay. And what is B?
B complement, sir. Like B did not get, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
So that will be like 29 by 30.
Okay. Now
Okay. So
what is A intersection B?
so, A intersection B will be, both will be getting, sir. That will be 1 by, that still will be 1 by 30, sir.
Okay.
Both will be in
So
the
you can also
below.
form
That,
yeah, you can also, yeah, you can use this concept also.
so we
So
can
what is the
multiply
concept
1
of
by,
that in the tutorial video? I think in tutorial video this question is already solved, na?
yes, sir,
So
I
what is the
don't,
concept of that video? What approach they used?
So in
I
that
don't remember.
particular
And
tutorial video, it directly multiplies some fractions, and data is not making sense for me. Why is that? Why we are just taking that particular fractions?
Okay, let me see that video. Okay. So which tutorial? Tutorial 7, tutorial 4, na?
Tutorial 4, tutorial 4.
Okay.
So answer that we are getting is 10,000 by 30,000.
Okay. Let's just see. Okay.
The first part that sir has written in the video, we are getting that much. That is,
Okay.
Mary got the feedback form.
So Mary got the feedback form. Okay. Okay, okay. Don't use combination and permutation in this. Okay, okay. I missed. So see, they have some. Okay, they have some list. Okay, they already have some list. Now, what is the probability that they're asking about? Mary got the feedback. So how many?
that will be 1 by 30, sir.
Yeah, one by what?
1 by
One by
30, sir.
that. Yeah, because why? See, you have
1,000 people out of
1,000.
30,000 will be.
Yeah, yeah. So 1,000 people and 30,000 are 1,000 people are selected and total are 30,000. So what is the probability that Mary got?
1 by 30, sir.
Yeah, 1 by 30. Similarly, that guy is not get the. So he is from those guy what? Those who?
Those who did not get the form, sir.
Yeah. So how
So,
many guys are there?
please repeat the point, the first point that you just said.
So see, Mary got the feedback. So Mary is from those people, those who get feedback. So how many people are there? So Mary can be assume that you have person 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. Okay, this is the name of person. Okay, but you don't know original name. Now Mary can be 1, Mary can be 2, Mary can be 3 like this. In your event space, how many outcome is in event space? That 1,000. Okay, like Mary can be your first person, your second person, like this.
So,
So
a point here, like it's saying randomly selected students.
yeah,
Order is not of importance here.
yeah.
So, because order is not of importance, we cannot say that Mary is on first, second, third.
No, I am just giving name. See, Mary in all of the, in those your in 1,000%. So Mary, so for Mary, if you are saying that if you are make event space for Mary in 1,000%, so what is your event space contain
अगर if Mary है 1,000 में,
in the
so
1,000? So Mary can be your, assume that you place all your 1,000 person in row.
Okay.
Okay. So Mary can be in front of row, second of row, like this. So for Mary, you have.
Sir, order is of not importance. तो
I am
हम
not saying that this is order. I am
Sir,
saying that one of the 1,000 person, in from 1,000 there is one Mary. So
yeah.
how
So
many ways can you
so
select a Mary? I am just selecting a Mary from 1,000. So how many ways? 13,000 C1. How many ways? 1,000,
that
right?
makes
Similarly, I am selecting how total are, how many total students are there?
number of events. It's like just give me a minute. I'm thinking of that, Mary. Uh, it's what you are saying is sir is that हमारे पास 30,000 स्टूडेंट्स हैं, हमको 1000 हमने सेलेक्ट किए हैं,
उनमें से
तो
1,000 हमारे पास पड़े हैं जिनके पास फॉर्म गया है।
या उनके पास जा चुका है, तो हम
तो मैरी भी उन्हीं में से एक होगी। अब मैरी के उन्हीं में से एक होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है?
या सो that's 30,000. Choose one in 30. Sam, my mind is again going on the combination thing. I don't know why. Just sir, could you like just give me a minute, please? Thing is, it's doing 1,000. Choose number of event spaces. Event space. सर अब इसमें हमारा जो सैंपल स्पेस है, ठीक है, हम 1000 बंदों को ऑलरेडी दे चुके हैं फर्स्ट थिंग। सो हमारा फॉर्म देने के बाद हमारा जो सैंपल स्पेस बना वो खाली 1000 स्टूडेंट्स का बना। दैट इज व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग। तो सैंपल स्पेस का साइज जो है वो 1000 का है, सो डिनोमिनेटर में 1000 जाना चाहिए। फर्स्ट थिंग दैट इज गेटिंग टू माई माइंड, क्योंकि हम 1000 बंदों 1000 स्टूडेंट्स को दे चुके हैं फॉर्म, सो हमारा सैंपल स्पेस 1000 स्टूडेंट्स का है।
नहीं, ऐसे नहीं। So you have 30,000.
Yeah, 30,000 students हमारे पास। Yeah.
Now out of you select 1,000 student randomly.
Okay.
Okay. Now Mary is in that, you're in that feedback, your selection, in that selection. What is the probability that Mary in that selection?
So इसमें सैंपल स्पेस हमारा क्या है? Sample space isn't इतना। Okay, I got your point. Like, yeah, got it.
If you observe this by sample, because your sample space is not 30,000. Your sample space is all those combination of 1,000. See, but if you go by sample space, it will be huge calculation for you. You can also solve this by calculation.
सर इसमें एक अल्टरनेट थॉट आया है। हमने 1000 बंदे 1000 चूज कर लिए, या 1000 हमने स्टूडेंट सेलेक्ट कर लिए, ठीक है। हमारा जो मेन जो जो टोटल हमारा जो कॉर्पस
Okay,
था
just second,
1000 स्टूडेंट्स का
do
था।
this question by like this. In denominator, write 30,000 C 1,000, and in instead of this 1,000, write what? That Mary in your sample space, in your that 1,000 selected people. So how many ways this can be happen?
It's 30,000 ऐसे चूज करना है। That's 30,000
No, why
times
30,000? 30, I already gave Mary to envelope, so that feedback. So 30,000 minus 1.
It's 1,000. It's 1,000.
30,000 30,000 minus 1 C 999, because I already gave one feedback form to Mary. So now I have to be give 999 feedback form out of how many students?
Mhm. Sir, I got it now. Now the Mary thing I got it.
Okay. Same for what? Ashit case. No, Asad case.
Hmm. In that
Like
case,
in that case, what will be the happen?
it's
All possible components like 30,000 C thousand in instead of this you can choose what.
that is.
So remove Asad from your these 30,000 student and send feedback form to 1,000 student. How many ways this can be happen?
Yeah, that's 1 minus 1,000 by 30,000. That's 29,000 by 30,000.
The now you got.
या गॉट इट
Okay.
सर बट इसमें मैंने एक थोड़ा सा अल्टरनेट अप्रोच लिया है छोटा सा मैं
Okay.
उसको देखता हूँ मैंने क्या बोला कि मेरे पास सैंपल स्पेस है 30,000 स्टूडेंट्स का या
Okay.
उसमें से एक मेरी है
लेकिन
एक
तुम्हारे पास सैंपल स्पेस 33,000 का नहीं है.
नहीं नहीं सर है नहीं व्हाट आई एम
Yeah.
कंसिडरिंग मेन हमारे पास 30,000 स्टूडेंट्स थे ठीक है
Okay.
उसमें से एक मेरी थी एक असद थी ठीक है
Okay.
असद था नाउ वी हैव सिलेक्टेड 1,000 स्टूडेंट्स तो अब
Okay.
हमारा जो स्पेस बन गया वो 1,000 स्टूडेंट्स का बन गया या
Okay.
अब हम कह रहे हैं कि हमारे पास टोटल नंबर ऑफ ये सैंपल स्पेसेस कितने होंगे जिसमें कि मैरी होगी या
Okay.
लेकिन मैरी 30,000 में कितनी थी एक ही थी
No, 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 no. This argument is not work. See, yeah, because you can't fix your sample space into 1,000.
सर सैंपल स्पेस को मैं फिक्स नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं
Okay.
कह रहा हूँ जो 30,000 में से एक ही मैरी थी हमारे पास
Okay.
तो मैं ये कह रहा हूँ वो मैरी इन 1,000 स्टूडेंट्स के साथ कैसे मैप हो सकती है 1,000 वेज में
1,000
जो
ways
आपने
में क्यों
बोला
मैप
जैसे
हो?
फर्स्ट हो सकती है सेकंड हो सकती है थर्ड हो सकती है
It's not like that.
ओके
It's like what is the chance that marry in this 1,000 probability that marry in this 1,000 people student is what marry in this 1,000 student divided by total number of student. Okay, it's like that. I think one guy gave this argument. Can you repeat your argument if that guy is also in till now? Okay, it's like this that in 1,000 the probability that in 1,000 Mary is in that in those 1,000 students. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, got it, sir. Now,
Okay.
think I can construct on it now.
Okay. Okay. Maybe they also gave this argument. Just a second.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
So after this, could you explain the formulas? Not explain, if you can just give a gist of the formulas of week 7 and 8.
For which what formulas?
Just the basic formulas, sir.
For probability or
No, sir. From week 7 to 8.
so means for from probability, no?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So how many formulas we have? Firstly, we have what? If every event is equally likely, I have n total possible outcome, and each outcome is equally likely. And in my event, there are m outcome. Then what is the probability that event happen? M divided by n. Okay. Main condition is what? Equally likely. Okay. Like you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 your die, and each outcome is equally likely. Then what is the probability that odd come? So odd is what? 1, 3, and 5. 3 divided by 6. Okay. This is the first formula. Now second formula is what? Second formula is for conditional probability, which is what? Probability of A given B. So this is what? Probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. Okay. So this is what? Your B is already happened. You know that B is happening. And what is the probability that then A will happen? Like if you are tossing two coin and you know what is the first outcome, that you have two dice and what is the outcome in first row, then assume that this is 4, and what is the probability of getting 3? In that case, what is the intersection? This means in second outcome you got 3, so intersection is what? 4 3. So probability of getting 4 3 is what? 1 by 36 divided by probability of B. B is what? Getting 4 in first place. This is what? 6 by 36, which is 1 by 6. Or you can also think this formula as, assume that your B is happening. Now what is the if B is happening, then your now your sample space is what? 4 1 4 2 or 4 6. Then what is the probability that this 3 will happen? This 3 will happen in only 4 3 case. So what is the probability? 1 by 6. Total outcome are 6 and 4 3 is 1. Now after that we have what? We have independent case, which is what? Probability of A in given B is probability of A into probability of B, which is what? Oh sorry, this is not. This is probability of A. This means what? No matter B is happen or not, no, if this information is not given or given, no matter, probability is same. Okay, this will be used when you know, when you want to find the probability of A and you know that B is independent of A, then by using B you can scale, you can reduce your sample space with the help of B, and then you can find the probability of A given B, which is same as probability of A in case of independent. And if you open this formula, you get what? Probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B, which is what? Probability of A. This means what? Probability of A intersection B is probability of A into probability of B. Okay. Now after that, what we have? This is our independent property. Then we have multiplication rule. What is the multiplication rule? Multiplication rule says that probability of A1 intersection A2 intersection, probability of intersection AN is what? Probability of A1 happening. Okay. Then probability of A1 is already happened. What is the probability of A2 into probability of A1 and A2 is already happened. What is the probability of A3? Like this, probability of AN when all the other events are already happened. Okay. This is your multiplication rule. After that, what we have? We have total probability law. In that case, assume that this is your sample space. Now you divide this sample space into two parts, A and A complement. Now if you have any event, so event is subset of this sample space. This is your event. Then probability of this event is what? Probability of E given A is happen into probability of A plus probability of E given A complement into probability of A complement. Okay. After that, what we have? We have extended generalized law of total probability, which is what? If I have space and I partition into n parts, this is my A1, A2. Partition means all AIs are mutually exclusive. You know what is the mean by mutually exclusive, and union of AIs is S. Okay, this is an minus 1 an. And if I have any event, then event is subset of sample space. This is my E. Then probability of E is what? Probability of E given probability of A1 into probability of A1 plus probability of E given A2 into probability of A2, like this. Probability of E given AN, probability of AN. Okay. And now what we have? We have some property of, by using this we can use this in what? Where? We can use this in, if I have what? A1, A2, A3, AN are partition of S, my sample space, and there is some event. E is event. Then what is the probability of A1, AI given E is what? Probability of AI intersection E divided by probability of E, and this can be written like this. What? This can be written like probability of E given AI into probability of AI. If you open this, you get this, and divided by probability of E, and probability of E is what? This formula, whole formula. So you can replace this EI, probability of EI, by our formula. Okay, this is the main formula. Now after this, yeah, all the formulas are done. Are there any formula left? I think no. So these are the formulas, those you have. Okay. Okay. Okay, it's time 10:54. Okay. Okay, now I'm in this session. Okay. If you have any doubt, then ask in next session, because time is already 10:55. Okay. Okay, good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Yeah.
Right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Thank
Good
you,
night.
sir.